video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Sheets. If it's very much like Excel, so if you use Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets is going to be very, very easy. So to get there, you can always go to the little Google apps up here, and we're looking for Sheets. It's going to be even more from Google, I believe. But a real quick way to get to it, you can go to Google Drive, go to top left, go to New, and drop down to Google Sheets right here. As always, if you scroll over, there's a drop-down menu. We can make a blank spreadsheet or choose from template. We're just going to choose a blank spreadsheet, so we're just going to click it. And here's our spreadsheet. Okay. So as always, you always want to name your spreadsheet. Google automatically saves. So as soon as you name it, that's going to be the title of your spreadsheet. And you don't have to keep going and saving. It's going to save automatically as you make changes through it. Okay, so we're going to let's do sales. All right. As you see, it's saving, and then it's saved to Google Drive. So no matter if I'm on my phone, different computer, if I'm logged into my Google account and I'm using Google Sheets, it's going to update and save. All right. So like I said, very much like Excel, we have all the same features. We can undo, do the zoom, format of the currency, all the little percentages and decimals and stuff. We can go choose our font, the size of the font. We can go to bold, italicize. We can do the strike through, text color. You can fill in the little cells, and you can give the cells borders if you wanted to make like a really nice spreadsheet. So you can also use the filter same way you use it in Microsoft Excel, and you can do the formulas the same exact way. All right. So this is sales numbers. So we're going to we're going to do 2 months, January, February. All right, and we're going to give some numbers to these months. Boom. So here, real easy, just click in the cell and you're able to start typing, right? With any of our Google Drive elements, we're able to share them. So we can go here to the top right and go to share, type in our people we want to share it with, boom, edit their permissions, add a note if we want to, and we can send. And share it with one person. We can also go to comments right here. As you can see, there's no comments as of yet, but we can add a comment. Let's go over here and add a comment to this cell. Boom. So the comment's added, and as you can see, it shows up right here. Okay. So if I'm going through and my friend commented me that it should be 31 instead of 3, I can go and be like, oh yeah, he's right. I go click resolve, boom, and I can go fix it real quick. In order for them to have comments, your friends have to have the ability to edit. Okay, so right now my friend only has viewing permissions, so we're going to go and change that to comment, so they have permissions to do what I just did. All right, bam. All right, so we can go to, I'm not sure what I just did. All right, so if you wanted to do a formula, same way as Microsoft Excel, we're going to start by doing an equal sign, and we want the average. So we're going to start typing in average. Boom, and as you can see, it comes up right there. Now it's going to open parentheses, and we want all the averages in January. So we're going to click and drag. Boom. Close parentheses, hit enter, and there's our average for that month. And we can do the same thing for February. Boom. Like I said, if you wanted to make it look a little bit nicer, I'm going to go ahead and unfilter that real quick. We can highlight it and make a border, just so we can distinguish that these two are the averages and not part of the right. We can also, like I did earlier, you can go and you can filter it. Boom. And these are kind of like our titles, and we can go and it shows us everything that's underneath that heading, right? So January, of course, is 12, 13, and so on. And that's pretty much how you use Google Sheets, very similar to Excel. And oh, I forgot one feature. You can go down here and you can add sheets down at the bottom if you have a really large project and you wanted to do multiple sheets like that. I very rarely use that feature though. The sheets are really, really huge. And yeah, you can pretty much go on forever. Well, A to Z, and then it goes down a really long way to 1,000. So you have plenty enough room to work, but if you need more room, you can always add more sheets, right? And with everything with Google Drive, if I go to my Google Drive, it automatically saves, go to recent, and it's right here, sales numbers, and I can see that I have people shared with it, and I can see the last date it's modified, the owner, and the file size. Right? And that's how you use Google Sheets.